Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Christmas mutation in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here you will need to submit your Christmas mutated plans, and I'm going to show you how you can get the Christmas mutation. Wait, let me talk to the elf. Okay, and I'm going to click on this menu. How do I get Christmas mutations? Okay, and you just need to wait for the snowfall to come, guys. It will come every 10 minutes on average. And now the snowfall is coming, as you can see. You can monitor it right here. And this snowfall can give your plants the snowy mutation. Okay, and I have snowy mutations flowers right here. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and you need to collect the plants with the snowy mutation or the Christmas mutation, and then you can submit it to the NPC to get rewards. Okay, you can go back to this area, and I'm going to submit all my plants with the snowy or with the Christmas mutation. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Christmas mutation in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!